Hello, I'm in a 2019 Jeep Cherokee, and today I'm going to show you to connect your phone's Bluetooth to your vehicle interface. So first, make sure your vehicle's on, which this is, and your display's lit up. And then from your main screen here, you could get to this through settings. So we'll go to settings, and you can always connect to. So up here, we'll do the empty slot. There's a limited number of phones you can have stored, so you might need to delete a phone first before you can add a new one. So go to settings, to pair phone, as it said. So under here, we'll scroll down till we get to phone Bluetooth, select that, and then here pair phones, and then here again there's a limited number, so you might need to delete one first before you can add a new one, but we'll add a device. And then from your device, make sure your Bluetooth's on, which this is, and often if you press and hold, it'll pull you to your pairing menu. And here we're looking for Uconnect. Sometimes this might take a few minutes or a few tries, but these random numbers do match the random numbers on the vehicle. So we'll hit pair, and then we'll confirm on the vehicle side as well. And we're connected. So you make it a favorite. So if it's a favorite, it'll try to auto connect to your phone when you first start. So we're connected now. Now that's connected, you should be able to listen to music, take phone calls, texts. Newer models, often you can sync up maps and things like that as well. And then, yeah, for music, if you're having issues with that, you can go to your media, and it just auto came to the Bluetooth here. So Bluetooth right there, and then make sure you have it playing from your device as well. And if you're still having issues here, double check that the volume's on your phone as well as on the unit here, which the volume button's right here. But otherwise, I hope this was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.